Today we have 3 completely damaged Samsung phones, and 2 of them are unfortunately of my favorites. So I actually own every single Galaxy Note. I own the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, but my 2 and 3 are completely busted, and these are beyond repair. The 2 I could fix, but for the price of repair, you know, not really worth it. For the price of repairing all the parts, I could literally spend at worst $5 more and just buy one that's in perfect condition. And then for the Note 3, I can't source any replacement screens for the Verizon variant because it's different than the T-Mobile and AT&T variant. I bought a Sprint Note 3 that I was going to use, except the seller scammed me, so that's not going to work. And we have a Galaxy S5 Active that is completely busted. So we're going to break all these. We're just going to drop them. I think, oh, the Note 2 has the S Pen. I forgot about it. Didn't even notice that. Oh, well, we'll leave that in there. I have plenty of those. If it gets scratched, no big deal. So, we're going to drop these. I don't know where we should drop them. Let's drop them on this concrete. These are basically, you know... Oh, now it's starting to rain. Oh, that's great. So we'll start off with the Note 2 and drop it waist height. Oh. I wonder if I can break that camera lens. Camera lens is fine. Camera lens is still fine. Camera lens is still fine. I don't know what they did to make this camera lens extra strong. They did something. Now on the front, waist height. Ouch. Really shattered. Head height. Lens still isn't broken. Still not broken. This back cover's not really doing anything. Let's just take that off. Head height on the back. Man, that camera lens is tough. Head height on the front. Oh, solid smack. And more shattering. And now we'll drop it from up here. 3, 2, 1. And it's raining. Let's go back where it's dry. See, where did this land? I can't even tell where this landed, but it landed somewhere. So yeah. Oh, that's not what I wanted to happen. So that ended up landing on this top corner. Not in good shape. I still want to break that camera. Oh, maybe that did it? No. This camera is a lot tougher than I thought it was. Even on this rough concrete, which kills pretty much everything, this camera lens still isn't cracked, which is really interesting. Surprisingly tough. Now let's try making it land up from the camera up here. And that camera still isn't cracked. Landing from 50 feet, not 50 feet, 30 feet. Still not cracked, that camera. Even slamming it, this camera doesn't crack. That's weird. That camera's really strong. Oh, ah. Oops. That's interesting. Well, now we're going to try this again, but this time make it land on the face. So that landed face down from 30 feet. Let's see what this looks like. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would have been. Huh. Ouch. You can see that dent in that bottom corner. And if we do a side drop, that camera still's not broken. Oh, ha! Little chunks missing. That S Pen actually stays in there very secure. Later notes the S Pen will jump out with pretty much any drop. If we drop it on this corner. Yeah, that S Pen doesn't want to jump out. Three, two, one. Ouch. Yeah. So this Galaxy Note 2 is pretty broken. I really want that camera to break. But it is sprinkling a little bit. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There's no way the camera survived that. What? Hold on. Yeah, no cracks. No cracks on that camera lens. There's a couple little scuffs, but nothing major. 30-foot drop onto rough concrete, and the camera lens still is not broken on this device. That's insane. I am still probably going to use the motherboard on this phone since the motherboard is good and not locked. So I might actually be able to buy a Note 2 with a, well then again, Android 4.4 doesn't even have locks on it. Never mind, whatever. Yeah, again, this was kind of pointless, but in terms of repairing it. So maybe this video will make me about 5 cents in ad revenue. But yeah, so head height, face down again. Oh, little piece popped out. But yeah, so that was the drop test of the Galaxy Note 2. Not really a whole lot to report. I will probably be buying another Note 2 at some point for the updated Note 2 review since I hadn't done one in a couple years. But this one is not on that list. So this is Intelitech Studios with a drop test of the Galaxy Note 2. See you guys in the next one.